The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic structure located in San Francisco, California. It spans the Golden Gate Strait, connecting the city to Marin County. The bridge is one of the most photographed landmarks in the world and is considered an engineering marvel. Construction on the Golden Gate Bridge began in 1933, and it took 4 years to complete. The chief engineer, Joseph Strauss, oversaw the project, which faced numerous challenges, including difficult weather conditions and financial struggles. Despite these obstacles, the bridge was completed on time and within budget. The Golden Gate Bridge is a suspension bridge, which means it is supported by cables that are suspended from 2 towers. These cables are anchored to the ground on either end of the bridge, and they hold up the roadway or deck. The roadway is made up of 2 lanes of traffic, and there is also a pedestrian walkway on either side of the bridge. The bridge is one of the longest suspension bridges in the world, with a main span of 4,200 feet. It is also one of the tallest, with the towers rising 746 feet above the water. The roadway is 220 feet above the water, providing a stunning view of the surrounding area. One of the most striking features of the Golden Gate Bridge is its color. The bridge is painted a bright orange red, which is known as International Orange. This color was chosen because it blends well with the natural surroundings and is visible in foggy conditions. The bridge is repainted every few years to maintain its vibrant color. In addition to its beauty, the Golden Gate Bridge is also an important transportation route. It carries over 40 million vehicles per year and is a vital link between San Francisco and Marin County. The bridge is also used by pedestrians and bicyclists who can enjoy the breathtaking views as they cross the span. Despite its popularity, the Golden Gate Bridge has faced its share of challenges. In the past, the bridge has been closed due to high winds and fog. In an effort to maintain the safety of the bridge, measures such as a crisis hotline and barriers have been installed. The Golden Gate Bridge is an iconic symbol of San Francisco and a beloved tourist attraction. Its bright orange-red color and unique design make it stand out against the surrounding landscape, and it continues to draw visitors from all over the world. Whether you are driving, walking, or biking across the bridge, the experience is truly unforgettable.